हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, दिस इज़ अ न्यू टॉपिक, estimate of RCC framed building, that is framed building. If it is a frame building, how will you estimate the different quantities, that is earthwork, LC and the RCC work? So we try to understand by taking a simple example, that if we have taken a room which is 4 meter by 3 meter and veranda 3 meter wide. We have provided 6 column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 column of size 300 by 300. So we have given the detail of this column. This is you can say the footing, which is 900 wide both sides, and extension is 10 centimeter this side, 10 centimeter this side for LC. So it is coming 1.10 meter overall depth of width of the excavation. The height of excavation is your from this point 0.2 plus 0.3, 5 plus 0.6, this is 1.10. So this is a column which is of 300 height, and this is the something you can see the footing detail. We have cut from here this point to this point GL to the slant height. So we can provide the column at this point, and these are connected by plinth beam that is at plinth level. So we provide a plinth beam at below this to plinth beam, and in this way we can provide the plinth beam. On the plinth beam the brickwork can be done. So simple. How will you calculate? How will calculate the earthwork? We have tried to make you understand. So we have given this serial number, the particulars item, number, length, width, height, depth, quantity, and you can say have remarks. So if you want to calculate the earthwork in excavation, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column. There are 6 column. So we have got the width 1.10. So another side will be width also 1.1, and depth will be your 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 0.3. So this is coming 91. This is up to GL. This is 0.6, 0.39 and 0.2, 1.10. So this is also 1.10. So your excavation work will be 6 into 1.1, 1.1, 1.1. This is okay. Now you have to calculate the PCC work. So PCC क्या है? This is a 6 for the 6 column, 6, 1.10 is your width, and the and 1.10 another side, and the height is 0.20. So this you can calculate the PCC work. Only the height will be reduced to 0.2 in this way. So now you can calculate the straight portion of the footing. This is straight portion. So straight portion is 0.30. This is 6 number. We have calculated the LC. Now this is 6 number. This is 0.9, because this is 0.1, this 0.1. So this is coming 0.9. So 0.9, this is 0.9, and another side is 0.9, and height is 0.3. So we have put this 0.3 is calculated. Now for this slant portion which is 0.60, you can say 0.60. So height is 0.60. Total height is 0.60. So we have done L by 6, 0.6 by 6, and A1, that is A1 is 0.8. It's at this time. This is 0.9. So this is 0.8. 0.8 we have put just 90. We have put 0.8. Another is at this point 0.4. This is 0.4 into 0.4, and the average 4 into average of 0.8 plus 4, 12. 1.12 divided by 2, that is 0.6. So 4 into 0.6 ka whole square. So this is a formula from which we can calculate this slant part. Now the straight part, which is 0.30 height, and say ये 0.4 by 0.4, this is 0.4 by 4, and 0.3, and this is 6 number, so you can calculate the straight portion of this thing. Now you go for the column. Column is a 6 number and the section 0.3 by 0.3, and height is your 3.3 up to here PL, and PL to GL this is 0.6. So we have this is 0.6, so this is 3.90 we have put. Now the plinth beam is a 3 number 1 2 3 number of 4 meter, so you have put 0.2 into 0.2. This is 6 number 1, this is 2 number. Now 2 number is 1 and 2, but the length is more than this. This is 3 meter and this is 3 meter again, so 6 meter, 0.2 into 0.2. So in this way we can calculate the RCC work, earthwork and all. So there is some very minute deductions you can have at the column juncture or somewhere else, where we have taken straight wide this 4 and 6 meter. Instead of 4 and 6 meter, you can have deduction of this column. So you can calculate, deduct the column spacing. Because we are taking the 6, so you can minus that space, that is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 deduction can be of your column space, that is 6 number. That is we are calculating, this is 0.3 into 0.3 and height is your 0.2. So this will be your minus. So this much can be deducted from all the RCC work. In this way we can have the idea of RCC framed structure. Thank you for being with me.